Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this like nice neutral look. But if you guys would like to see how I got this look, then please keep watching. Hi guys, I'm Robin Taylor, and here I do makeup tutorials, reviews, and giveaways. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing, and let's get right into this video. So I'm doing this look right now because I have to hurry up and get ready because I have to go meet up with my team, my producer, and my creative director, and my manager, so I have to be in a hurry to go. I'm recording my whole process in becoming an artist and everything, so I'm putting all the footage and everything on my vlog channel. I'll have it linked in the description below, and let's get right into this video.
It can if you dare by innocence. Round and around and around and around we go. Oh, now tell me now, tell me now, tell me now, you know. In late Noniano, she ella in Trini. Something in the way you move makes me feel like I can't live without you. It takes me all the way. Me down no oh he she. It's not much of a life you're living. Jeno koni ako, I can't. Round and around and around and around we go. Oh, now tell me now, tell me now. Tell me now, you know. Ooh, the reason I hold on. Ooh, 'cause I need this hold gone. Funny, you're the broken one, but I'm the only one who needed saving. 'Cause when you never see the light, it's hard to know which one of us is caving. In Lenoniano, she ella in Trini. Something in the way you move makes me feel like I can't live without you. It takes me all the way. In town or he and she.
But that is it for this get ready with me type of fast, quick video. I just wanted to film a beauty video where I'm actually getting ready because I haven't done that in a very, very long time. This is a look that I like to go for because it's really like, it's really easy to do, but then it looks like you took a lot of effort in doing it. And I use an e.l.f. palette actually. This was like, $9 or something like that. I got it in kind of like a spare of the moment type of thing, and I got it and I was just like, let me just see how this palette works. It's nice. The powders are blendable and they're really pigmented. It's like a little too powdery and chalky. So that's weird, but you know, it's e.l.f. It actually did like an okay job. But thank you guys so much for watching this video, and until next time, I will talk to you beauties later. Bye.
You still